Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. This file will not fit in their laser bed, no matter how they turn it, so they need to reduce it. The file in itself is bad. It's got one tab that's over the outline. It's got everything marked, which is pretty cool with these tabs, like that's number one, because every one of these is a different dimension. That's going to throw a wrench into this later. So we're at 28.69. We're at 28.54. Every one of them is different, 29. So that the way I do it, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. But when we reduce this in size, it's going to reduce the, let me tell you what, let me make all this a hairline. When you're reducing the size of a box like this, you don't have to worry about this measurement. You have to worry about this measurement because that's the thickness of the wood. So we're going to give our parallel dimension tool and measure that, and it's 2.8 millimeters. 2.8 millimeters. It really needs to be 3 for this to work for 3 millimeter wood, he said. But what we need to do, we need to reduce it in size. So I'm going to, well, first of all, what we're going to do, he said he'd like to have it between 180 and 200. We're going to get the parallel dimension tool and just swipe across here and get a measurement. And we're at 294. Let me make that text bigger so we can all see it. So we're at 2.94. If we grab everything and just bring in one of the corner handles to where that gets below 200, 196, let's make it a little bit closer. 199.8, can't really get any better than that. Let's get rid of that measurement. But now look what we've done to the shape of this box, the dimensions of this box. Now it is at 190 and it needs to be, so it reduced it by 90 or 0.90 millimeters. I don't like this at all. And this text or this graphic is bad. And I'm going to go up to object and put order back a page. And you can see it's got a white background. Let's get rid of that first. Let's get rid so it looks better. Because the reason I know that, because I try to change it black and the whole thing turns black. And they're not really a bad item. But we're going to go to object group and ungroup it and see if we can't just get rid of that white by hitting delete. And we did. Now we could pretty much take that and make it a black. For laser engravings, you want black. So that one's done. So I'm going to pause the video and figure out how we can make these spacing works and really remake these. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.